Hi, welcome to Cloud Yoga. We have a friend today, and today's going to be about 45 minutes of yoga in the clouds with this guy joining the party. So you can start on your back. Thank you. P.S. We're in Monte Verde, one of the most largest destinations in the whole world for hiking, for yoga, for beauty. Oh my gosh, it's stunning. You can't see it now, but in your brain you're gonna think about it. Okay, lay on your back. Feet can come to the mat as wide as the mat, knees together and reclined pyramid. It might start to rain, it's a little chilly. Left hand on the heart, right hand on the lower belly. Let the arms relax to the earth. So you can just let the hands rest on your body. Everything is loose and disengaged. Start to inhale and exhale. Nice and slow. Letting cool or warm air in wherever you are. Let your animals become a part of the practice. Let the arms come out wide as you continue to keep your breath nice and still. All right. Let everything start to slow down, the thoughts, your surroundings. Even if there's some chaos happening around you, ambulances, noises, can you only focus on your breath? And if there's too much out here, a good way to do that is by using your Ujjayi breath or your ocean breath. So press that tongue towards the top of the mouth as you inhale through the nose. Press the tongue. Broaden the chest plate. And as you exhale, same thing. Press the tongue, release. You'll hear that beach wave. So inhale, press. Exhale, press. So making it this beautiful universal movement of in and out. If you have a kitty on your belly, maybe you and the kitty rise. And then you and the kitty calm. Inhale in. Let it all go. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Press the shoulders into the mat. Exhale, release. Now if your arms haven't come wide, bring them wide. Same breath work, but arms are staying wide for this, and as you inhale, you're pressing in and scooping the spine off the mat like someone's trying to pull you up towards the sky. So you inhale with this mightiness, and then you exhale and you come together. So eventually we'll incorporate the legs in this as well, or you'll incorporate the legs. So utilize the hands first. So inhale, press. Notice the curve of the spine, chest comes up. Hold, you'll feel some air in the lower abs, and then as you release, bring it down, and then a little scoop of the tailbone. Baby, baby scoop. Right, baby scoop. Press it in, inhale. You become like this mountain, like you would see if the clouds weren't here. And then release down. Press it on up. And release down. A few more rounds, then we'll start incorporating some hand movement and leg movement. Press it in. And release. One more time. Let it go. And a little windshield wiper left and right. Why do I have no pets, huh? Windshield wipering left to right, nice and slow. Feel the movement in the hip joint, left and right. What's going on? This one's keeping my privates warm. I don't hate that. And then back to center. Relax. No. Take a nice deep inhale. Release. Nice deep inhale. Release. And now you're going to start to press in here. When you press into the earth, the legs go wide. And then as you release air, legs and arms come together. Hello, bunny. Inhale, press and open. Like air is coming up, bringing it in, and then as you release, press the spine into the earth, scoop the pelvic floor, come together. Hello, little one. And release. Wide as wide can be. Open those legs, open those arms, bring that beautiful air in, and then press and scoop and scoop. Okay, sorry, keep it going. You are suffocating me, little one. Yep, right on my face. Right up. No, we don't do that. Okay. Stay nice. Thank you. Together. Press the air out. Inhale. And release. Do you hear something? I do. A few more rounds. What are you doing? What are you doing to me? Are you loving me? Nice and wide as wide can be. Press, 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 and right it around your kitty. Thank you. All right, knees into chest. All right. We're going to little rock side to side. you don't have a cat in your way, put your forearms around your shins. Oh, either you're gonna come with me, left and right. Yep. Fine, just like a boat. Hold on. And then extend that left leg long. Hold that right leg in. And then instead of having the thigh connect with the rib like we usually do, I want you to rotate it out. So almost like that armpit is coming in, that knee is coming into the armpit, but more of a flexion out. So if it was up, it would be connected, but you're peeling down and staying out. And then left arm is wide, and you're pressing in with that left heel, calf, and hand for stability, right? The reason you're doing that is so the pelvic floor isn't tilting to the right, right? A lot of engagement on the right, but pressing in on the left helps keep everything stable. Oh, it's just rain, kiddo. Hold it there. See if you can bring it in a little more. So you might get a pinching sensation here. That's fine. Oh, we're getting a little wet. I think we might have to go save those umbrellas. What do you think? In a moment. And then bring that knee back through center. Kick it up towards the sky. Release your arm. And then slowly bring it down. Hit the floor and come back up. Point, point. Slowly bring it down. Up. Point, point. I think she sees herself. That's hilarious. Keep bringing it up as you point and then down towards the ground as you hit your heel. Beautiful. Last 3. Down. 2. Nice and slow, right? Articulated movement so we can get stronger here. You and I want to be strong babies. We just did one more for good luck. And then I want you to kick that heel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Left leg comes in. Grab that forearm around the shin. So right away you're connecting that thigh and rib, but then you're peeling it out. There you go. Press right back of palm, heel and calf into the earth, even the shoulder. So you have really stable hips here. If someone were to try and push you, they couldn't. And then bring that left arm in, little pinchy in that left hip. That right foot is flexed, heels pressed in, everything's toy, like a toy got. You get that? Toy, like a toy gun. Okay. Keep on holding. What are you doing, kitty? And then slowly, slowly bring it in a little bit if you can, and then back through center. Both arms up. Kick that left foot up, point, and then as you bring it down, flex. Move a little bit. Bring it up, point. As you bring it down, flex. You can touch the earth if you need to. Point, flex. Really strong movements here. You're scooping that whole pelvic floor. So transverse sides, abs, lower, all of it. Nice and tight as you press in. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then little kicks, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Kitty, you're going to have to move. We're going to do little rock and rolls. Ready? Let everyone see. Oh, thank you. So hands come to the hamstrings, and then little rocks. Watch out for your friend. Hello, you're cleaning your paws. You're gonna get run over. And then I want you to roll back and come to boat. So you're staying just like this. And then roll back, come to boat. I'm gonna move back so you can see me better. Roll back, boat. Now maybe you can let go of your hands. Kitty, roll back, boat, let go. Oh, what is happening? You're getting stuck. Come on. Roll back, up, release. One more time. Roll back, up, release. And we're going to hold here for 10. Kick, center. 9, kick, center. 8, 7, hold strong. 6, round chest. 5, hold it up. 4, you got this. 3, woo. 2, both legs are up on 1. Both legs up. Grab your shins if you can, nice and strong. Stay. Want to be just like this. So you're not coming in like this, but strong legs. Hold where it's comfortable. Proud chest. You can even hold here. Holding for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Nice and proud. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release to cross. Come over your body. Here, I'll face you. Crawl the fingers forward. Shake the head. Ooh. And come back through center. Again, it's a little chill. So adjust as you need. Living in a cloud makes your hair look crazy. Whatever, we're here to yoga. We're not here to look good. Key factor, yoga is how it feels, not what it looks like. All right, sister, ready? Side body stretching, left hand out, right arm up. What do we remember from last time? Elbow pin towards the corner of the room. Open up that shoulder, look, and then reach. I want you to bring it in and reach. We're going to go for 10, 9, reach, keep those glutes on the floor. 7, keep it open. 5, 4, 3, 2, on 1, stay out there. 1, and pulse the arm. Beautiful. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up, hands together. Anjali Mudra. Opposite side. All right, sister, are you ready? Right hand out. Left arm over, elbow pin to the back top corner of the room. Open up that armpit, and then you can reach. Keep those glutes connected. And then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, holding long, and 2, 1, hold it long, and pulse. Pulse, beautiful. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, up. Hands to prayer. Take a nice deep inhale. Exhale, rain it forward. Walk those palms to the front, to the camera. Bend it down. Lovely. We're going to do some hip openers. Lady Lovely Locks, you have to move for me, please. So left leg is going to be parallel with the front of the mat. And then right leg's going to be behind you. So you've got this nice V happening. And then I want you to put your hands behind you, comfortable. You can flatten them, you can tent them. Flat would be great, but be mindful of how things feel. And then you're gonna rotate up and over and opposite down. Up and over, opposite down. So these are major hip openers. Knees to the right, down. Inhale through center, knees down. Beautiful. Keep that going on each side at your pace. Being mindful of how your wrists feel, if you need to make any adjustments. And then play around with the breath too. Just because I articulate a certain breath doesn't mean that that's what works for you. There are opposite bodies out there. I'm one of them. Inhale, down. One more side, and time. Inhale, down. Beautiful. I want you to rotate so this shin is parallel and then adjust that one. Hands come to in front of that shin, and then you're going to slowly walk your hands, bringing that chest towards your knee. Now, just as always, right? Every time in any Stina Lee practice or any yoga class you take, proud chest. They'll also say heart forward. But that leaves the illusion it's just the left side. You want whole left and right side, up and proud. So keep that up, and then use those fingers to come forward as soon as you feel any sensation. Stop and hold. Now I can get pretty low here. You can do that too if you can. There could be a chance though that you're right here, and that's fine because this position in and of itself is intense. Walk it down. Perhaps your head can hit the mat. Your chin or lips can hit your shins. Holding here for a few breaths. Inhale, and as you exhale, can you come over any more? And then slowly, slowly walk it out. Rotate to the other side. See how that feels, and then adjust that left leg to be parallel to the front. Lady, you're gonna be right in my way. You know, sometimes we have kids and pets that love us very much. And sometimes you live in Costa Rica and the pets are just so friendly. So, hands go in front of that left shin, bring them out. Proud chest, right? Fully connected to the sun. If the sun was out, it'd be hitting you right here. And then you crawl forward. Watch out, little one. Okay, we're coming right over you. Your butt is towards the camera, not nice. And then bring it down, 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 down. Again, be mindful. If it feels better here, stay. There's no reason you have to do anything past what doesn't feel good, right? Unless you want to explore. Then you can put your hands to your shins. Then maybe to the earth. Maybe a hand out, a hand out. Maybe another one, and another one. And then as soon as you start to feel a sensation here that you don't like, stop. And if you're super flexible, you can keep bringing it out, and out, and out. And maybe the chin comes down. And maybe. Hold here for a few breathies. We're going to name this cat Spinderella. What do you think? I like that. Do you like Spinderella? Okay. Over, and then inhale, Exhale down a little more and then slowly start to back off. Backy offy, the littlest bit, the littlest bit. Take a look at your clouds. They're stunning. We're fully in a cloud currently, which is why my hair is cuckoo. It is cold everywhere. You can feel it in your throat. You can feel it on your skin, hence the goosebumps. I am so excited y'all are partaking in this with me. Okay. We'll do a little baby split here. So left foot, left corner of mat, right foot, right corner of mat. Now there could be a chance that your legs are not capable of that, especially if you are a lovely gentleman with some tight legs. Give it a try. This is fine. But maybe you can come out an inch and then an inch. Then an inch, then an inch. Right? We're all trying this together. An inch, then an inch. Maybe another inch. And another inch. Then it's time to adjust the glutes. Try another inch. Another inch. Adjust the glutes. Another inch. Another inch. Adjust the glutes, right? Until you feel really good. Toes should be able to point and flex as I'm doing the opposite. Point and flex. Point and flex. Point the left. Flex the right. What am I talking about? Point left. Point right. Point left. Point right. Point, 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 point. Beautiful. Oh, we're getting attacked by umbrellas. That right leg, I want you to bring that foot towards the mat so it's bent. And see how that feels. It's probably going to feel a little weird. You might start to collapse forward. I want you to press yourself so you're up. Now, just like we did in our back, maybe you can bring that forearm to the shin to work on that stability, right? So now all of your abs come to that belly button. I want pelvic floor up, abs down, transverse, your side abs in. Full on cloud action is happening. So notice as soon as you tighten your abs, should be easier. You're not as off kilter and off balance, right? Nice tight abdominals. That's where balance comes from. Keep holding here, right? This is not easy. I'm shaking. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let that right leg down. A little wave. A little wave of the hips and the bond. Let it out. Okay. Left leg up. Doo-doo. Right leg is lovely and relaxed. If you need a little bend, little bend. Whoop. Hello. Left arm around that shin. Bring it in if you can. Hold it tight. What's happening? The stuff, the organs in the body are protruding and the body is sulking. What do? Chest plate, right? Proud chest plate to the sun, shoulders back, glutes grounded, abs tight. Everything into the belly button like a rope is coming out of your belly button that every single ab is attached to, and hold it tight, tight, tight. Make it tight. Make it tight. It's not easy, right? It looks so easy. It's not easy. I tell you, it's not easy. Holding. I don't know about y'all, but I am shaking like a mofo. Hold it. Last 3, 2, 1. Whew, thank goodness. Butterfly. This is Konasana. I hope that's correct. So we're going to have to look that up. We're going to do butterfly because everything around here is called butterflies because Mariposa butterflies, they're just everywhere. Mariposa? Again, you should eat before you teach yoga so you know what you're talking about. Okay. Woo. All right, ankles towards the hoo-ha. Knees out. Rotate shoulders back. chest proud. Look at how beautiful you are. Deep breath in, feel the chest protrude and release. Send that energy down through into your mat. Deep inhale. Hold it. Hold it. Release. Full release. Let that spine fall back. Oh yes, use your ankles as holder. You might fall back, that's fine. And then slowly come back to a stable position. Ooh. Cross your legs. Check out your back. Is it tight? It might be. If it is, that's cool. You can lay on your back. You can child's pose. You can do whatever you want any time in any of my classes. Because guess what? It's your practice, not mine. I'm just guiding you. Hey! All right, knees down. I meant hands to knees down. Oh, can you see these clouds? God dang it. It's right in front of my face. Focus. Roll the shoulders back and down. Inhale. Let it go. We're going to do some open mouth breathing considering we're actually in a cloud. I'm going to face this way because they're coming in this way. This is like, guys, so exciting. Thank you for joining. You're making my life great and I hope I'm making yours great. We're going to start to do some really big breath articulations, bringing in the cloud energy. Okay, ready? Bring it in. Hold it. Let it all go. So you're going to bring air in and newness. You can bring your palms to your knees and open for receiving, or you can do this whole bring it in with me, and then as you release energy, hands are down on the knees and you are releasing air and grounding. Okay, so envision everything released out of your body into the mat and into the earth and growing newness. Yay! All right, ready? Are you ready? Oh my God, pretend you're like inhaling a cloud. If you want to mimic this at your house, sit in front of a hydrator machine or a steam machine or steamer. Just get a steamer in your face and go, I'm kidding, because that would be really hot. However, you could do this in the shower. You could do this whole practice in the shower if you wanted to. All right, ready? Hands in front or hands on the knees. Bring it in. Hold. Hands down, release. Ooh, here it is. Bring it in. Hold and release. Y'all, I can feel coolness into my belly. Bring it in. Hold and release. Bring it in. Hold and release. I feel like Ursula in The Little Mermaid. Okay. I want you to, I know you're at home and it's different for me because I'm here, but I want you to close your eyes. And if you've ever been in the cloud or the cloud forest here in Costa Rica or even sometimes in Yosemite, you know that it's wet. It's like raining, it's misty, it's cold in your throat. It feels like you have a cold cough drop in your throat, but it's just the air and the cloud getting into you. So take a nice deep inhale. Hold it. Let it go, keeping the mouth closed and out of the nose. Bring in the newness. Close. Press it out through the nose, only mouth closed. One more time, bring it all in. Release. Close your eyes at home. Imagine you are fully encompassed by a cloud. You can feel it everywhere, on your skin, in your throat, in your hair, on your face, your eyes. Everything's a little cool and a little damp. How neat to be alive in nature, to be one with nature in a manner that I've never seen before. I am nature. Deep down in the center of my soul, I am nature too. I have always been nature. Everything I offer, everything I do, my breath is nature too. Inhale through the mouth. Close. Let it sit and resonate. And then release through the nose. Bring it in through the mouth. Close and release. Where can you connect a little more with nature? Perhaps on trails, just a visit in the backyard. Maybe just putting your feet on the earth and letting the dirt and grass get in between your toes. You ever feel chaotic? Like you can't wrap your head around what's going on? Everything is frazzled, everything is wild. Instead of going to grab another coffee or a meal that might even make you a little more nuts, do you have the ability to say, hey, I'm going to go connect with nature. I'm going to put my feet on the earth. I'm going to even sit on the earth. I'm going to work on my grounding. We have a tendency to grab for things that make us even a little more chaotic when things are always chaotic, because we use them as a comfort. And then we wonder why can't I sleep? Why is my anxiety so intense? Why am I depressed? Have you taken your shoes off and sat in the grass? Have you let the moist, beautiful ground beneath your toes make you feel a little more at home? Or do you reach for things that take you away from it? Take a nice deep inhale through the mouth. Let it go through the mouth. Beautiful. Inhale in. Exhale out. One more time. Bring it in. Let it out. And roll onto your back. Hitting any last organic movements you need here. Perhaps a little figure 4 rock, left and right. Perhaps it's just straight legs. Sometimes this feels nice, a little point and flex of the legs. I hope you can see this cloud. It is cucaracha. Slowly bring your knees into your chest, hold them nice and tight, but instead of coming up per usual, you're gonna roll those shoulders into the mat. Bring those knees in, nice tight ball here, really, really tight. Spine is connected to the earth, fully grounded, head to spine, head to glute. Feel it, love it, know it, believe it. Inhale, exhale as you release. Arms wide, legs wide. You can plant your feet. You can Supta Vada Konasana. You can legs long. And you can close your eyes and float away. letting the day go. Letting this beautiful rain cloud be something of a positive connection versus bad. We see storms as, oh, we must run for cover. Oh, we must run from the thunder and the lightning. Oh no, I'm going to get so wet. But perhaps we are to withstand the storm. Perhaps the reason that we always run is because we don't know, we don't trust, we don't have faith that I will be fine. But because you are a human being that's been brought into this earth, you will be fine. There's a type of bull that when it sees a storm and knows that it's coming, it does not hide and go into the woods or the barn. It runs towards that storm, ready to take it on. Innately, that is what it knows deep in its veins. To take on the storm. It knows, it trusts, it doesn't ask. It just goes. Perhaps you can know and trust that you can weather the storm, because we all know what's on the other side of a storm, the light. From the darkness can only come light. From the storms can only come flowers. From intensity can only come calm. May it be calm. May it be ease. May it be peace. Teaching 2 minutes. I am ease. I am peace. I am ease. I am peace. Start to come back to life. Remember where you are, your surroundings, your beautiful presence on this earth. Moving your eyes behind your eyelids, your tongue behind your teeth. Nodding head side to side. Shoulders, hips, knees, baby movements, spinal awakening, rotating wrists, moving fingers, ankles and toesies. Woo! We are alive, we are here, we are thankful. I am amazing. Rolling over onto your right side today. Sign of strength. A reminder that Savasana is the most important part of your practice. It is where you can close the door on absolutely everything that has happened prior to this moment, and you can start anew right now in your position of newness, fetal position, newborn baby position. Know and love a strong part of yourself. Know that the storms will always come and you have the ability to weather them because you are a human. You are amazing and you are capable. Closing your eyes, come to a seat. Repeat after me. I am strong. I am capable. I can do all things. I always could. Now I love me. Hands to prayer and Anjali Mudra. I love you. Bow forward to say namaste. Close your practice. It's raining, y'all. I love you.